Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the recipe for hot dogs with an Indian twist where I'll be adding sheep kebabs instead of that regular sausage meat, and I'm going to serve this with my spicy green chutney and fried onions. It's going to be super yum. So to begin with, I have some minced chicken here. To that I am going to add some onions, grated ginger and grated garlic that has been fried in little bit of butter. You can also add raw, but frying it in butter gives a really nice flavor. Next I'm going to add 2 green chilies, coriander leaves, mint leaves, salt to taste, some garam masala, some lime juice and some pepper, optional. Now mix this mixture together. I'm also adding a teaspoon of oil so that the mixture sticks together nicely. That's it. Our mixture is ready to make the kebabs. To make the kebabs, I am taking wooden skewers and I'm going to slowly start grabbing some of the kebab mixture to the skewers so that to form nice seek kebabs. Now because we are making the kebabs to go with the hot dogs, so our kebabs should be very thin. This seems to be a nice size. We're going to repeat the process. So our sheep kebabs are ready to fry and use it in the hot dogs. You can freeze these and use it whenever you can. Now we have to make the green chutney for our hot dogs, and for that I am adding 1 whole bunch of coriander leaves, 1/4 cup of mint leaves, 1 garlic clove, 1 big jalapeno cut. You can also use green chilies, and half of a lime squeezed. Also adding salt to taste and some cumin powder. Now we'll grind this to a fine paste. Our green chutney is ready. You can add around 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of water to help you grind this paste. To cook the sheep kebabs, in a hot pan I'm drizzling a little bit of oil and cooking these until they have some beautiful color. When they are almost done, remove them from the skewers and finish it off without them. Our sheep kebabs are ready. Now let's assemble the hot dogs. We're starting off with applying the green chutney on one side, and then we're going to add the sausage and sprinkle in some fried onions that I got from the market. If you want, you can add a little bit of sriracha. That is our desi version hot dogs. I really hope you enjoy this recipe and see you soon in the next video.